Hi, my name is Siti Nur Hannan binti Muhammad Johari and I'm from University Technology Petronas. I'm now currently doing my research in information systems and today I would like to present to you about my research title which is the development of Roboteach, teaching expressions to improve social interactions and communication skills among autistic children. This is the agendas for this presentation, which are introduction, literature review, methodology, results and discussion, communication, and recommendations. Now let's proceed with the background of the study. What is autism? The full name of autism is Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, and it is an illness that suffers from characteristics impairment, which is the ability to interpret social cues. They are also known with their repetitive behaviors such as hand waving, teeth grinding, nail biting, head banging, stimming, and many more which may involve them in self-injury. They are also tend to have the difficulties to engage in social activities. They also have the restriction interest and the impairments in social interaction. And they are also known to have the lack of ability in recognizing and responding towards expression. And that is why the technology such as the robot is introduced as assistive teaching tools for teaching and learning of autism children. According to International Standard of Organization, robot is a reprogrammable and multifunctional machine that can be manipulated in several programs to perform a variety of tasks. It is also an autonomous and reliable interpretation of interaction for the children. The objective of this study are to report on the development of a programmable robot that could assist teachers and therapists in teaching social interaction and communication skills to autistic children. And the second point is to lighten the burden of teachers in educating children by applying robotic approach in teaching communication and social skills. And now let's proceed with the literature review part. The challenges in educating children with ASD has raised the responsibilities towards the education system and also the teachers. And that is why robotics approach are suggested by few researchers as assistive tools in educating the children with ASD. The use of robot has demonstrated the improvement in negative avoidance behaviors as well as the interaction experiences. It is also believed to be the therapeutic tools to facilitate communication for children with ASD. And the evidence also proves that it is a promising tool for diagnosis, treatment, and also therapy of autism spectrum disorder. And due to that matter, technology such as the Lego Mindstorm EV3 is being introduced towards these children. It is a set of kits that provide a programmable brick and sensors, and it is also a flexible Lego which can be used to build and design in any ways according to the creativity of the designers. This is the example of the Lego Mindstorm EV3. And now let's proceed with the methodology part. RAD, Rapid Application Development, is a method that is being practiced in this study. For the first phase, which is planning, goals and objectives are developed after problems has been clarified. Literature review and survey are conducted in to extend the knowledge and understanding towards this area of investigation. And for the second point is analysis and design. Modeling and designing of robot and module are conducted in this phase. The functionality and user interfaces of the mobile application are also designed here. As for the execution part, the development of robot and module are conducted. In testing, the usability and suitability of robot is conducted here. And as for the last phase, which is closing, the robot is being packaged and prepared to be used by teachers as an assistive tool in classroom. As we can see here, this is the system flowchart for the flow of how the robot will function. For testing phase, the testing is being conducted in Autism Therapy Center in Ipoh, Perak, which involve around 4 severe autism children with age of 4 to 12 years old. What is the importance of conducting this phase? It is to investigate the effectiveness of robotic intervention in teaching and also learning. This is the example of the Roboteach prototype that is managed to be developed by the students from University Technology Petronet. As you can see here, this is the learning session where the robot teaches 4 expressions to the students, which are sad, happy, angry, and greedy. This is the graph that shows the performance of the students' interaction with the robot. As we can see here, there are 4 students involved who are Fahri, Rais, Kati, and also Faiz. It refers to the positive responsiveness, focus level, and also attraction level, while the cross refers to the negative responsiveness, not focused and not attracted to the robot. You can see from this graph, 3 out of 4 students have higher positive responsiveness, focus level, and attraction level, while as for Kati, he has the same number of positive and negative interactions. This shows that different students have different level of responsiveness, focus level, and attraction level. These are the performance of the students based on their responsiveness, focus level, and attraction level. As for Fahri, he shows that he is responsive, focused, but needs some supervision from the teacher, and he is very attracted to the robot move and sound. As for Rais, he is not really responsive, he is focused, and he is very attracted to the robot. While Kathy, he does not show any responsiveness during the session. He is unable to focus during the session and only attracted to the robot at the beginning session. Well, and then he loses attraction after a while. Well, as for Faiz, he is responsive throughout the session. He focuses on the robot and he is also very attracted to the robot to the extent that he can also press the button on the robot. Based on these actions, the teacher points out that robot manages to increase the students' curiosity, which can allow them to ask questions. And this indicates that the robot is an assistive tool in learning that can increase students' responsiveness, focus level, attraction level, and communication skill. In conclusion, robot is believed to be a new teaching tool for learning social skills, and it is also effective assistive technology to be practiced by these children, which can be seen through the age of responsiveness, attention span, and attraction level. And as the recommendation for this study is, it is hoped there are research in these areas towards the development of robots with more functions such as in music and also language and many more. And besides, it is hoped that there are more interesting design and features for the robots to make it more attractive, interesting, and effective. And that is all from this presentation. Thank you.